This is the Merrill HIDE205 PVC cap for the 1.5" PVC Merrill valves. Now, at the top of the valve, or top of the cap, my apologies, we can see if the camera would focus on it. Get the hydrant, that's the series or line that this cap fits for. And then you also have these directional arrows to show the direction you need to turn it in order to remove it, and the arrows to show the install direction or tightening direction. And it does state to hand tight these caps, hand tight only, mostly because you're working with PVC. Anything over hand tight becomes dangerous, can crack or break that PVC. And then looking at the underside, you see right here around the bottom center, there's a rubber gasket that helps seal the cap to the pipe. And then the two little locking mechanisms right here. We'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions of the cap, starting with an outer diameter first. See, outer diameter right at about 2 3/8, maybe a little bit over. And then inner diameter, I'm gonna go from the center of that inner collar there. It's gonna be right at about 1 inch and maybe 1/16. It's just over. And once again, this is the Merrill HIDE205 PVC cap for the 1.5" PVC valves.